Alright, Don Brewer Scientist back once again after quite a bit of a long layover. I do not have my little selfie stick, so I'm going to have to hold the camera by hand, but I wanted to give you guys a little update on what happened to our seeds. Start with our radish seeds. Our radish seeds, well, they were along in here and they just did not seem to take, as neither did our squash. You can see the squash leaves right here possibly. But what's interesting is this is all watermelon plants. Those watermelon seeds that we had in the cups that I planted, this is what happened to them. And you can see why I told you that you want to, if you start them in a pot, you want to get them out of a pot, because they will turn into vines and they will just grow like nobody's business. You can see tons of blooms. The package said about 90 days before you start seeing fruit, so that would be about 3 months. I think we did this about, what, mid-March, so April, May, June. We should have probably started seeing something already, but I thought I would just give you guys a quick little update. You can see they're growing like all the way out of the fence. I'm going to have to figure something out with these. I guess I'll just toss them back in there for right now. But watermelons did good. Squash probably not, because it's probably too much sunlight or maybe too many snails. I had an issue with snails over here. And the radishes, I actually had some radishes, but as you can see, they're pretty much all but gone right now. So anyhow, that's the update for the watermelon. Now I did also plant some tomato seeds, and those tomato plants are doing really good. As you can see, they're growing really nice. I'm probably going to have to pull them in before the storm gets here so that it doesn't wreck them. But I got 1, 2, a third one over here. And as you can see, you know, you need one of these little stands right here so that the tomato plants will grow upwards. I put a fourth one over here as an experiment, and it's not getting enough sunlight. I mean, it's growing and you can see there's blossoms on it, but it's not getting a lot of sunlight, and I think that is probably why its growth has been stunted a little bit. But that's the update from the garden. We're headed back to school here in a few days, so those are my Don Brewer Scientist 5th graders that are moving on to 6th grade. Best of luck to you, and I look forward to seeing some of the new 4th graders coming to 5th grade. So, see you in mid-August, the 20th.